place is a bike tour. Let's look at how clean the side is. Use the side a bit and we'll maneuver into it, you know. Yeah. So while we go, here are some fine groceries for you. If you need groceries, come and show love to our parents, our mothers who are hustling here. Most are mothers, yeah, African mothers. So we'll give way for my guy. So some people take the streets as a normal workspace, and that's dangerous, you know. Are we going to enter this corner? Let's go. Let's go, bruh. Let's maneuver, bruh. Let's maneuver, bro. There's not any skillful riding. It's just safety first and tactical riding, you know. We ain't no competition, you know. But we gonna show that we'll be more efficient, you know. As a motorbike, oh, the traffic caught us up. So if your brakes are functioning properly, oh, there's something.
Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome once again, yet again, to another episode right here on IO the General Studios. And today we are here in the Fishing Harbour, and we are biking from the Fishing Harbour through to Comty-1, and then a year back to the other communities. So let's do this. If you are new here on this channel, make sure you're subscribing and you are turning on the bell notification. Yeah, there's a traffic light here, but it doesn't work. It works, but for some reason it's been like a year I use this road and nobody obeys it. Not really, but I think it has a fault, and that's why they have an assistant traffic control officer there. Okay, so some dangerous potholes. If you don't have short brakes, this will be a problem. So on my right there's a frozen food called La Bianca, and that's it on my right here. The right is not showing any traffic indicator and I don't know if it's not working. flashy cars here in this place, so we gotta be careful. There's some mad driving and ridings going on here between the two tires, 3 tires, and then the 4 tires. Yeah, that's here. We'll survive it. Yeah, we gotta let the officer go, man. You don't let him go, he's gonna find a problem for you. So now we are here in County 1. Yeah. The riding is gonna get epic and dangerous over here, you know. So one eye in front, one eye behind you. You gotta be careful on this street. We are here now at the Tema Community 1. Yeah. So one eye on your left, one eye on your right. Otherwise somebody is going to turn you into a fish. Yeah. Some of these guys, the Uber guys, they don't watch and they just enter the road, you know. So if you are not careful enough, they bang you hard. Banger. Turn you into fish. Hey. So this is a concentrated and a busy market. Massive market of Tema Community 1, where they have veggies, fruities, fishes, everything. Anything about groceries is here. Shrimps, dried fish, yam, a whole lot of stuff is sold in here. This place is a bike through. Let's look at how clean this side is. Use this side a bit, and we'll maneuver into it, you know. Yeah. So while we go, here are some fine groceries for you. If you need groceries, come and show love to our parents, our mothers who are hustling here. Most are mothers, yeah, African mothers. So we'll give way for my guy. So some people take the streets as a normal workspace, and that's dangerous, you know. Are we going to enter this corner? Let's go. Let's go, bruh. Let's maneuver, bro. Let's maneuver, bro. There's not any skillful riding. It's just safety first and tactical riding, you know. We ain't no competition, you know. But we gonna show that we'll be more efficient, you know. As a motorbike, oh, the traffic caught us up. So if your brakes are functioning properly, oh, there's some renovation going on in this station here. They want to make it a better station for the drivers. Alright, we go. We use come to one center. Yeah. So we maneuvered through the mess and yeah, off to the other places, you know. Let's do this, man. Let's do this, man. Let's do. So where do we go to? Maybe we might try this side, you know. So you know, this bike is a serious mod, very ugly bike, and you know, it does the job, and that's why I like him, you know. It's a 125 powered by a 150 engine that's not even royal. It's called a Vista. That Vista is so powerful that it can handle a whole lot of engine oil delay. Okay, Vista is so awesome and amazing, you know. So we are in the traffic and we are waiting for our turn to move. Yeah, we are waiting. Of course, we can go through from this side. Let's go. So FPV, yeah, we are here. So you're watching us as we bike through the towns. Let's get it. Let's get it. And all these cars, they like to cross us a lot and motherfucking stuff in the road, you know. So we gotta be very, very careful with them. We honk unnecessarily to alert them, you know. That's my strategy here on the road, you know. So yeah, here we are. Here we are. So there's an unofficial ramp on the road, and these are even more dangerous than the regular one. The roads committee or roads body of Ghana. So yet again we are meeting another unofficial ramp, and we're gonna dodge it this time. So here we are. We are on our way. Yeah, the side is rough. Very rough in roads. Very rough in roads. And yeah. Ramps everywhere. If you're entering, enter fast so we can also come. Okay, so a bad road again. Alright, so we are here today, and yeah, this is Fidelity Bank, and we are ending it here. Thank you for being part of this journey. My name is Israel Alante, right here on IO the General, riding episode.